Oh, way up, way up, way up, way up. Well, it's another cloudy morning. Seems to me sun only decides to come out after dinner. Dinner, that is, in northern terms. Like 12 o'clock, not dinner like southern terms. Well, the southerners, they have their dinner at 7 or 8 o'clock, something like that. And I always class my dinner as 12 o'clock, and have my tea around what, 5, 6, something like that. But you don't do that when you're down south. Anyway, it's a cloudy morning again, but a bit of blue sky coming over the coast. A bit of blue sky coming over the coast. Yeah, I know. What about all that water in Texas, hey? The worst floods since something in history, really. Yeah, but we don't seem to be taking any notice of the weather. All these extremes. We're not taking the hint as the Earth's had enough. I was just reading where 10,000 years ago, I know it seemed a long while ago, but 10,000 years ago, there was 99% wildlife and only 1% humans and domestic animals. Now, this day and age, we've got 99% humans and domestic animals and 1% wildlife. We can't keep using things and taking all the resources and not letting it have time to recuperate. But we never seem to learn. You know, we're just taking and not allowing to give anything back, and it just can't go on. That's what I think anyway, and that's why we're having all these. And old Donald, he said there's no such thing as climate change. You think this flood's trying to give him a bit of a hint, say there might be something going on, you know. Might be something to do with climate change. Donald doesn't seem to think so, but there's a very good chance it is. Anyway, thank you, bye.